right, so quick video on the iMatch bushing kit, and this is for the quick implement hookup and why you would need this kit. So on my pressure sprayer over there, I've already got one, right? And so why do you need this? This hopefully will save you some time. If you're gonna buy the RB series or any of the scrapes, they are iMatch compatible with a adapter kit. So it's not gonna be right out of the gate. So you're going to get two pieces. These right here, these are the shoulder bushings, right? Item number C. Okay, you're gonna get two roll pins, and then you're gonna get a top link. It'll tell you what diameter. These RB rear blades, these are welded in. If I did put a pin in here for whatever reason, could use that, but for me, this is all it is, right? All you're gonna do is hook it in here. Now, obviously it doesn't fit here. You just want to make sure that it fits perfectly, right? Take your roll pin right here, and you could just hammer it in, or you could get a punch made for driving these in. But that's it. Once it's hooked up, then you're good to go. It'll drop right in your iMatch, and it will not come off. So right here, this is what the end result is, right? Yep, that's it. Holds it in place. And then here's the adapter right there, right? But yeah, if you're gonna buy an implement and you use iMatch like I do, make sure you get a kit. Otherwise, you're gonna do like I just did and have to go back up to the dealership twice. So hopefully it saves you some time. Thanks for watching.